friends, today we will learn Armstrong's axioms for functional dependency. First of all, we need to understand what is axiom. Axiom means set of rules. Axiom means rules. Armstrong's rules for functional dependency. It means our question is explain Armstrong's rules for functional dependency. Armstrong has given many rules for the functional dependencies. That rules are together known as axiom. The rule number 1 for the functional dependency is reflexivity, or it is also known as inclusion rules. That rule says that if y is subset of x, then we have dependency x to y. What does it mean? Let's understand with example. Here x is a superset of y. Y is a subset of x. So I have considered x as a superset. It is a big set. X is consist of roll number and name. Same way y is consist of only name. So y is subset of x. That is right. Here our y is a subset of x. So when we have x, we can definitely have y. It means when we have roll number and name, we can definitely have name. So this is the reflexivity rules. Now let's understand rule number 2. Rule number 2 is augmentation. What does it say? That if x to y is a dependency, then we can have x tier to y as well as x tier to yz. What does it say? That let's understand with the example. I have considered x as a roll number and y as age. If I have dependency, if I have roll number, then I can get the age. Then any component is added at the left hand side. If I have roll number as well as I have name, then I can definitely have age, because only roll number is sufficient to get the age. Same way, I have roll number and name, then also I have age as well as I have name, because I have already name, so I can get age as well as name. It means that when you add any more component at the left hand side, you will get the same result or same result with the new component. Rule number 3, transitivity. What is transitivity? It means if we have dependency x to y and y to z, we have two dependency, then we can have direct dependency from x to z. Let's understand with the example. I have considered x as a roll number, y as a mobile number. If I have roll number, I can get mobile number. Same way, y is mobile number, I have mobile number, then I can get the address. It means if I have roll number, I can directly get the address. That is our result, x to z. Rule number 4, self-determination. What is that? It means if we have x, we can have x. It means x to x is a dependency. Example, if we have roll number, we can have roll number. It means roll number gives roll number. Definitely once we have roll number, we can definitely have roll number. So it is called self-determination. Rule number 5, pseudo-transitivity. What does it say? That if there is a dependency x to y and yw to z, then we have xw to z. Let's understand this dependency with the help of example. Here I have considered roll number as a x. When I have roll number, I can get the name. When I have name as well as the mobile number, with the help of mobile number, I can get the address. So I can say that with the help of roll number and mobile number, I can get the address. With the help of roll number and mobile number, I can get the address. Let's try to understand this. Actually, y is depend on x. It means y's determinant is x. So y's value will be defined from x. So here we can remove y and place x. It means x and w together determines z. That is our answer. Xw determines z. Rule number 6, union, or it is also known as additive rules. What does it say? Let's understand. If there is a dependency x to y as well as there is a dependency x to z, it means x determines y as well as x determines z, then we can say that x can determine y as well as z. Let's take one example. Roll number determines mobile number. From roll number we can get mobile number. Same way, with the help of roll number we can get address. So all together we can say that with the help of roll number we can get mobile number as well as address. Rule number 7, decomposition or projective. What does it say? Let's understand. There is a dependency x to yz. Then we can have x to y dependency as well as we can have x to z dependency. Let's try to understand this with the example. We have roll number that determines mobile number and address. It means when we have roll number, we can get mobile number and we can get address. So we can say that with the help of roll number, we can get mobile number. Same way, with the help of roll number, we can get address as well. So we can decompose the right hand side portion into the different set. That's why this rule is called decomposition. Remember that this decomposition on left hand side portion is not allowed. Example, remember that this is not part of the rule. I am just explaining that decomposition at the left hand side is not allowed. Example, when we have dependency xy to z, then we cannot say that x determines z. Same way, we cannot say that y determines z. This is not allowed. This is wrong. Example, max 1 and max 2 together defines total marks. Then only max 1 cannot give total marks. Same way, only max 2 cannot give total marks. Remember this. This is not part of your rule. So our rule number 7 is up to this. Rule 8, composition. What does it say? If we have dependency x to y and there is one more dependency z to w, it means we can composite left hand side together, same way right hand side together. It means we can get dependency xz to yw. Let's understand this. We have roll number that defines name. Same way we have mobile number that gives me address. It means when we have roll number and mobile number together, we can get name as well as address together. Rule number 9, self-accumulation. What does it say? If we have dependency x to yz and there is one more dependency z to w, then we can say that x determines yzw, x to yzw. Let's understand this with the example. Roll number can give me name and mobile number, and there is a dependency from mobile number to address. Then we can say that roll number can define name, mobile number as well as address, because address is derived from mobile number. So altogether mobile number can give me address. So I can say that roll number to name and mobile number to address. It means roll number to name, mobile number and address. Hello friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon.